Let's start with what's on my face right now. This is 5-in-1. It's gonna get you covered, it's gonna get you flawless, it's gonna help your foundation stay longer. This is Milani Prime Perfection Hydrating Primer, and this line has variant. So the one I have is the hydrating one. This guy here, it smooths, resurfaces, brightens, mattifies and protects. So the thing I like about this one is the texture is not just your straight silicone fill in the pore kind of like thick texture. It's almost cross between lotion and your silicone filling texture primer. I really love the scent of it, which is random because most primers don't have scent. It just feels really clean and really light on the skin. It does prep your skin for foundation beautifully. Your foundation will glide on it. It doesn't overly mattify, so if you have combination skin, it's not going to make you look dry by end of the day or patchy by any means. It's just going to help your foundation wear longer. It's going to give you smooth surface to apply your foundation on. It's going to blur out fine lines and minimize pores. It's a great price too. 30 ml tube, it's like 1200 rupees, but you can get 10 ml tube like this, the one I have, and you'll get it for like 600-700 rupees. But make sure to check out Myntra or Amazon for sales, because Myntra often has sale on this primer, Nykaa doesn't, so save some bucks there.